Welcome back to Tech Pulse, the podcast where we cut through the hype, slice open the jargon, and get straight to what matters in science and tech. I'm your host, Zaper, smooth, confident, and ready to ruffle a few feathers today.
And I'm Puck, the guy who keeps Zaper from running away with all the drama. Think of me as your friendly reality check. And hey, before we dive into today's story, hit that subscribe button, share this episode, and leave us a comment. It keeps us fueled and makes sure you don't miss when we go toe-to-toe on these wild debates.
Oh, you're gonna want to stick around for this one because today's headline, it's controversial, it's unsettling, and honestly, it might be the most important bioethics debate of the decade.
All right, hit me.
Scientists split on halting mirror life research.
Mirror life? Sounds like a Black Mirror episode.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Let's slow it down for everyone. Mirror life isn't science fiction. It's the idea of creating synthetic organisms where all the molecules are flipped, mirror images of the ones in natural life.
Okay, hold on. So like how our left hand and right hand look the same but don't perfectly line up?
Exactly. That's called chirality. In biology, life uses molecules shaped a certain way, like left-handed amino acids and right-handed sugars. Mirror life would swap those.
And you're saying if we built organisms out of this mirror stuff, our immune systems wouldn't even recognize them?
Bingo. They'd be invisible to biology's defense radar, which is why some scientists are freaking out.
So what happened? Who's actually pushing the panic button here?
In December 2024, 38 scientists, including 2 Nobel Prize winners, signed a warning letter in Science. Their point? Mirror bacteria could be extraordinarily dangerous. One of them, Jack Sostak from the University of Chicago, literally said the repercussions could be globally catastrophic.
Whistlers, that's not light language.
No, it's not. And the reaction was immediate. A bunch of labs, including Kate Adamala's in Minnesota, straight up dropped their mirror cell projects. They basically said, too risky, we're out.
But not everyone agrees, right? I can already smell the split.
Correct. At a big meeting in Manchester called the Engineering and Safeguarding Synthetic Life Conference, scientists, policymakers, and ethicists debated what to do. Pretty much everyone agreed creating full-blown mirror cells is a bad idea. But the gray area? Where to draw the line?
Because mirror molecules on their own are already in medicines?
Yep. For example, ethyl-calcitide, an FDA-approved drug, uses mirror molecules, and biotech companies like Eptarion are working on mirror RNA therapies. So it's not all doom and gloom. There's serious medical upside.
Okay, but here's my thing. How do you regulate something like this without killing innovation?
You don't let scientists cook up mirror organisms, but you allow mirror molecules. Draw the line there.
That's too neat. What if someone argues, well, I'm just making a mirror cell for drug testing, not a full organism? Where does it stop?
Oh, that's the slippery slope people keep warning about.
And meanwhile, researchers like Ting Zhu in China are saying, hey, stop panicking. You're letting fear choke curiosity.
Oh, come on, Pak. That's reckless. When Nobel laureates are saying potential global catastrophe, you don't brush it off as fear.
But isn't science about risk? We already deal with CRISPR gene editing, AI running hospitals, even nuclear research. You can't innovate without a little danger.
Danger is one thing, but creating life forms our immune systems can't detect, that's not a risk. It's an existential threat. Imagine mirror bacteria in the wild. It doesn't just infect humans. It could wreck plants, animals, our entire biosphere.
Okay, fair. That's nightmare fuel. But let's also not pretend every scary scenario becomes reality. Remember when people thought the Large Hadron Collider would swallow the Earth?
True, that turned out fine. But here's the difference. Mirror life isn't a faraway collider experiment. It's bench science that labs can actually attempt right now.
So your team moratorium, full stop, ban it all.
Absolutely. At least until we have airtight biosecurity frameworks.
And I'm team don't strangle curiosity too soon, because history shows we ban first, then regret later when other countries surge ahead.
Oh, that's the geopolitical nightmare, isn't it? If the US and Europe stop, China or private labs keep going underground.
Exactly. Regulation only works if it's global. Otherwise, we're just handing over breakthroughs to whoever ignores the rules.
But breakthroughs at what cost? Medicine that heals a few while risking a pathogen that can wipe us out?
And here's the kicker, our bodies already have ways to detect mirror sugars, so maybe this immune blind spot isn't as total as the alarmists claim.
Maybe isn't good enough when we're talking extinction-level risks. So, there you have it. Mirror life, a thrilling frontier or a biological doomsday clock.
It depends on whether you're wearing the skeptic hat or the optimist hat.
Either way, this debate isn't going away. More workshops are coming, more regulations are brewing, and more scientists are picking sides.
And we'll be here to argue about it like always.
Thanks for tuning in to Tech Pulse. Drop a like, leave a comment. Tell us, should mirror life research be halted completely, or is fear holding us back?
I'm Puck.
And I'm Zaper. Until next time, stay curious, stay skeptical, and remember, even mirror life can't escape this debate.